Here's how to use Google Labs AI. First, search Google Labs AI to Chrome, Safari, or Google that you have. After searching for it, you will be redirected to the Google Labs dashboard or options. Once you're already on the dashboard or options, you will be able to see there all the Google AI tools that you can use from the Google Labs. What you need to do is to go ahead and click on View All and go ahead and select there the AI that you wanted to use under Google Labs. So let's say, for example, I choose the Pompeii. What you need to do is to suggest ideas or put on the necessary prompts that you need on the Google Labs AI. Afterwards, you can now go ahead and design the AI that you want. You can go ahead and click on gathering colors and you can design it through colors. You can also add logos, fonts, depending on the Google AI use that you wanted to use on your end. Just choose the right application for you.